Hey, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling with an update on this beautiful home we're building off of Lake Lanier. We have moved through all of the concrete stage, foundation walls, all of the waterproofing on the foundation walls, as well as the garage slab. As we've moved through the concrete stage, we are currently backfilling all of the area around the foundation. Right behind me, we've got some guys working on compacting all of the soil, making sure it's very dense, so that way the ground doesn't settle in time. We don't typically do a crawl space slab. However, in this particular case, our client wanted to have a fully concreted crawl space area to protect from any moisture or anything coming up through the soil. We are just a week or so away from starting framing. I'm getting really excited to see this structure come to life. Thanks for watching. Don't miss a single update. You can follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.